National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Forsyth County, Northeastern Davidson County, Northern Randolph County, Guilford County, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Thomasville, or 7 miles west of High Point, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greensboro, High Point, Randleman, Thomasville, Kernersville, McLeansville, Archdale, Summerfield, Trinity, and Gibsonville. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Davidson, Forsyth, Guilford, and Randolph. The severe